I ordered something from JeffreeStar.com, and I just want to do a quick unboxing with you guys. This is how it shows up in this very foo-foo girly pink box with his tape. And I always think, if you go a little closer here, the tape looks like it's been like repackaged or something like that. And I asked my husband, and my husband said no, the logo is actually on the tape, so that's why it looks kind of like broken with the seam. So we're just going to do a quick little unboxing, and I'm going to show you how he packages stuff. I know that a lot of you probably want to buy stuff from his site and you're like, hey, what does that actually look like? So just a quick little thing. And yes, I am very professional with these scissors. Here it is. Actually, this is a really nice box. So the thing with his website that I've noticed is stuff does not stay in stock very quickly. Like, things go out of stock very, very quickly. So whenever I can find something that I really, really want, I will just buy it right away. And I got 2 blood sugar palettes, and this is always out of stock really quickly. So he stocks them up, and then within like a day, or sometimes even like 5 hours, it's gone. So this is how it's packaged, and already very impressed. It looks like your girlfriend sent you a gift and put a lot of love and care into this, so very nice. So let's open this up, and I'm just checking if anything had cracked in shipping. That's what I'm worried about. So look at that. Nice bubble wrap too. So this is the packaging. Very nice. Oh, he even has his YouTube channel there. I'm just gonna open this up. And I'm just checking if anything cracked from California to here, like the palettes, or the makeup in the palette. Look at that, one solid piece. Very nice. Look at the quality and craftsmanship too of this box. Like, that is very, very nice. High quality. So that's the first one. And this also came in it, and it has to do with his new palette called Alien. And there's the Northern Lights Frost. I really want to try this too. So when it goes on sale or it's back in stock, I'm definitely ordering some of that. And just to show you guys, in the center of this, more, actually it's all tissue paper. So profesh. And this is the last one. And it's, again, like if you had a really nice best friend, or you know, somebody special who like gifted this really nice for you, like what a treat this is. And here it is. And just taking a look, making sure that nothing cracked in shipping. Ooh, come on, open up. Perfect. Perfect. And look at the colors. Can we just do a quick pan of the colors? Look how absolutely stunning they are. I know he has that new palette called Blue Bloods, but I'm more of like a darker skinned, dark hair kind of girl, and I just don't think blue will pop really well with me. I like the transition shades in Blue Bloods more, but this palette, if you have darker hair, I think this is just winning absolutely. So loving this. So that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.